Right here, we just installed a professional French drain system. You wouldn't hardly know it. All right, here we go. Basically, we cut the sod, we leave about 2.5 inches of root on the sod, and we just fold it back. We excavate, we do not trench. We do not use a trencher when we put in a French drain system. A trencher will only give you about 6 inches of width. You put that pipe in, you put the stone in, it's just not enough. They don't last, they're short-lived, they have an early expiration date. We come in, we excavate a nice trench, remove all that soil, we're not gonna put it back in. Go ahead, fold this fabric over that 6A natural stone, and then we can lay the sod back over top of that. This is the right way to build a French drain that's gonna move some water and stand the test of time. When building it right the first time matters, give us a call.